Good morning, children. I continue the civics class, state government lesson. Today's topic is Council of Ministers, State Legislature, Legislative Assembly, and Legislative Council. I explain one by one. Council of Ministers are very important and responsible to the state legislature. All the members of the Council of Ministers must be the members of the state legislature. Those who are not the member of the time their appointment must be secure their seats within a period of 6 months. Article number 163 in 1 Council of Ministers with the head of the Chief Minister and advice of the Governor in the excess of his functions and their duty, and other provisions are Article number 164 1A states that the total number of ministers including the Chief Minister and Council of Ministers in the state not exceed 15% of the total number of members of the Legislative Assembly. Heading the functions and powers of the Council of Ministers. The ministers only decide the policies of the state, then legislative programs and assembly also sponsor. It control the financial policy also. It make important appointments of the heads of department, discuss and takes efforts of the our states and others, then frame the proportional expenditure of the states. Ministers only introduce the all the bills are in the legislative assembly, and council of ministers supervise and control of the department, and the annual financial statement called a budget is finalized by the council of ministers. Next heading, the state legislature is a constitution provides a legislature for every state. Most of the states have a only single legislature. Some states only have the bicameral, that is a two or more states joined. Example, Bihar, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. The Legislative Assembly, that is lower house, it is a popular house. It is a real center of the state. It is consists of members directly elected by the people. The strength of the assembly varies from the state to other state due to the population. The maximum strength of the assembly must not exceed 500 and minimum strength is not be below 60. The term of office, it is a 5 years. It can be dissolved even before the expiry of its term. In our state, Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly consists of 235 members out of 234, and the people only elected the ministers, and one member only nominated by the governor from the Anglo-Indian community. Next one, cabinet and cabinet committees. It is a nucleus of the Council of Ministers. It consists of only cabinet ministers. It works throughout the various committees called the cabinet committees. There are two types, standing and then ad hoc. The former are a permanent nature and later of the temporary nature. Next one, the speaker. Legislative Assembly elects two members as speaker and deputy speaker. In the speaker may be removed from this office mean it is after giving a 14 days notice. The speaker does not vacate his office when the assembly is dissolved. He continues to be the speaker until the first sitting of the new assembly. While the office of the speaker is vacant, the deputy speaker performs his functions. At present, Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly Speaker is Mr. Dhanapal. Next one, the Legislative Council, that is the upper house. The Vidhan Parishads forms a part of the state legislature of India. In 6 of India's 28 states, the Legislative Council serves as the indirectly elected upper house of the bicameral legislature. This house is a permanent house. It cannot be dissolved. Every members of Legislative Council serve for a 6 year for a term, with the term staggered as one third of the ministers expire every 2 years. The MLCs must be citizen of India, not under the 30 years age. Last heading, election to Legislative Council. 1/3 of the members are elected by the local bodies. 1/12 of the members are elected by the graduates of the universities in the states, and 1/12 of the members are elected by the graduate teachers, and 1/3 of the members are elected by the members of the legislative assembly, and 1/6 of the nominated by the governor, who is eminent in the field of literacy, excellence of art, social services or cooperation also. Children, that's all for this video. Remaining topics I continue on next class. So in this video we learn Council of Ministers, State Legislature, Legislative Assembly, that is the upper house and then lower house. Learn carefully children. Thank you.